you want to know how to actually get the rewards out of your WeatherXM app into your bank account. Well, the first thing you're going to notice is that when you try to claim for the very first time, it says that you need to link your Arbitrum One wallet. And in order to do that, go ahead and click it, and then it will bring up MetaMask automatically, as long as you have it downloaded. If you don't know anything about MetaMask, check out this video, and then it'll automatically populate the Arbitrum One network for you already, so you don't need to type it in, which is really nice. And then you're actually ready to claim. So now that you've added your Arbitrum One wallet into the WeatherXM app, do keep in mind it may take a few days to start earning rewards. So now that we have rewards in my account, so I have 121 WeatherXM tokens. Let's hit claim. Let's connect the wallet. It should bring up MetaMask again. It should automatically prompt you to switch to the Arbitrum One network. And if for some reason it didn't, you can always go up here and switch to Arbitrum One. Now that your wallet is connected, you can click next. How much would you like to claim? Most likely you want to claim all of it. And then if you've never had an Arbitrum account before, do keep in mind that you will need some ETH inside your Arbitrum account, as you can see here. So you could just buy some right here through MetaMask. However, I do not suggest that. Instead, I'm going to show you another method using Uphold. So I purchased some Ethereum on Uphold already, and I'm going to go ahead and click sell and then select destination Ethereum. However, Ethereum has multiple networks, and I need to make sure I select the Arbitrum One network. Now you can use any exchange you want. It doesn't have to be Uphold, as long as it supports Ethereum and it supports sending Ethereum through the Arbitrum One network. Now you only need probably like $1 because the fees on Arbitrum is pretty low. So in all honesty, I'm going to send like $5. So now that we have some Ethereum in our account, let's go ahead and try claiming again. So you can see it, there's no issues this time. Let's confirm the transaction. And there you go, your tokens have been claimed. And if you head on over to your MetaMask, you'll see that you have one new token. Let's go ahead and click that, import it, and you'll see your WeatherXM tokens right there. Now, if you would like to sell your WeatherXM tokens for cash, you're going to do the opposite of what we just did and basically swap your WeatherXM to Ethereum. Then from Ethereum, deposit it into an exchange that supports Ethereum on the Arbitrum One network. And then select how much you want to send. Do not send all of it. Remember, you need like at least $1 worth of Ethereum on your Arbitrum One wallet in order to pay for future fees. So in this case, I'm going to say use max, switch it to dollars, and then subtract $1. So that way I always have at least $1 and send. Well, there you have it. Now it is in your exchange. All you need to do is sell it for cash and send it to your bank account. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any other questions about the WeatherXM or other DPIN devices. And as always, guys, stay safe, trade safe, and God bless. Peace. I wish this wasn't here. And I'm getting married. So I get married tomorrow, by the way, and that is there. So